Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys a recipe on the corned beef and rice recipe. This is how you do it. So you're going to take your onions, chop them up in pretty nice big chunks, and you're going to go ahead and take your corned beef hash, and I like to get the garlic and then your flour and salt and pepper is the main ingredients here. You're going to go ahead and, of course, after getting some onions in your pan there, you're going to add some garlic and you're going to brown these up with the flour once you get your onions nice and softened, and go ahead and just give that a good stir. I forgot to mention you want to add some oil, a little bit of vegetable oil in there with your onions as you go ahead and start sauteing them. Gonna add some water to that, and I wish I would have browned them more in this video, I just didn't, but you want to make them a little bit more brown. Whoops, dropped the lid in there, so I'm gonna take that right on out in just a second. There we go. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I know it's not the most appetizing look, but I tell you y'all, this stuff is so good. And I take the onions, mix that up, and go ahead, really just salt and pepper is all you need. No onion or garlic powder, honestly. The corned beef and hash, they come with the tiny little potato chunks in there as well. It's honestly just as good. So nothing else, just salt and pepper, and this is the end result of what it looked like. And yeah.